I'm Tiina Saaristo, and this is Fortecore Academy for those who want to know more about professional radio communications and solutions. Today we have here Chief Superintendent Antti Eronen from the Finnish Police. He's describing how the operational processes and procedures might work when high-speed data becomes possible. Chief Superintendent Antti Eronen, what are the challenges of today and the opportunities of tomorrow that drive a change towards faster data?
Nowadays we have much bigger areas, and field commanders really need much better situation picture. And we are also testing system that we can see also where are the other authorities. We can share our situation picture. So if needed, we can see where they are and maybe get some extra information. But we have problems. We have a lot of information. What is important, how to get that data, how to share it, how to be faster than criminals. We have to think what are those very important information, or which is that kind of information where we can use some other commercial broadband networks, 3G or 450 megahertz network. Have to always remember, if there is some bigger situation, there is always a lot of public or media. Everyone is using GSM, sending pictures, so authorities have to think what is important and can we use those commercial networks anymore, because I think those commercial networks are overcrowded, and we have to spare also our own networks at that time.
Reliability and security in a connection are important to you as police. How do you see your operations and operational processes changing when this secure high-speed data becomes possible?
First of all, we can do many things right on the field. We can help citizens. They don't have to go to the police stations. We don't have to go to the police stations. So we can stay on the field and people can see us, and it helps in many, many ways. Another thing is that we are developing that our command and control system. Now, if we have reliable fast-speed data, we can support those field units nationwide. We can share things. Some unit can help in that kind of things, give background information, make inquiries, and many, many things. We don't have to be right at scene. We can see pictures, give information to the media or public, give warnings if some other one from command and control can see what's happening there, so that field commander don't have to do all that work like nowadays.
Which additional needs or requirements do you see related to high-speed data?
As I mentioned, we have to share that data, information, and we are working very well together with different authorities. But how to share that information? We need some kind of hotspot on the field, so we don't have to send every information and every authorities differently to command and control center, so we can share it at sea between us and see pictures what the other ones see, send some other information, floor plans and that kind of things. That is really what we need, and I really hope that high-speed data can help us.
Thank you, Chief Superintendent Eronen. You have given us a lot of ideas for research and development, also for the future.
Thank you.